When we talk about wisdom in business and life, one name stands out: Warren Buffett. Known as the Oracle of Omaha, Buffett is not only one of the most successful investors in history, but also one of the wisest thinkers of our time. His philosophy goes far beyond money. It is about discipline, patience, integrity, and lifelong learning. First, Buffett teaches us the power of long-term thinking. In a world obsessed with quick results and instant success, he reminds us that real wealth is built slowly. One of his famous principles is, "Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." This idea reflects his belief in long-term investments, not just in stocks, but in knowledge, relationships, and personal growth. He encourages people to think decades ahead, not just days or months. Second, Warren Buffett emphasizes the importance of continuous learning. He spends about 80% of his day reading. He believes that knowledge compounds like money. The more you learn, the better decisions you make. Buffett often says that the best investment you can make is in yourself. Skills, habits, and education cannot be taken away from you, and they generate returns for a lifetime. Another key lesson from Buffett is emotional discipline. The stock market is driven by fear and greed, but Buffett advises investors to be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. This means staying calm during crises and not following the crowd. True wisdom, according to Buffett, is the ability to control your emotions and think independently. Buffett also speaks about integrity and reputation. He once said, "It takes 20 years to build a reputation and 5 minutes to ruin it." For him, character is more important than profit. He chooses to work with people he trusts and respects, proving that success without ethics is not real success. Finally, Warren Buffett shows us that wealth does not define happiness. Despite his billions, he lives in the same house he bought in 1958 and values simple living. He believes that meaningful relationships and doing what you love matter more than material possessions. In conclusion, Warren Buffett's wisdom is not only about investing, it is about living wisely. Think long-term. Invest in yourself. Stay disciplined. Protect your reputation. And remember that true success is measured not only in money, but in character and happiness.